Hi everyone, I'm Nimrod from Engini. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a connection to Priority ERP software in Engini. If you're finding us for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below to stay up to date with the videos that we'll upload. Okay, let's start. Moving on to my laptop, after signing into Engini, we'll go to the connections page. Click on the Add Connection button located at the top bar. And from the list of softwares, choose Priority. After choosing the application, the window will be replaced and will display the Edit Connection form. In case of Priority Software, we will need to name the connection, provide the URL for the API, provide the database name, username, and password. So let's start. Priority Demo. For the URL, it's usually the URL that uses us to sign into our Priority, adding a suffix as shown right here. This is the suffix that we need to add to the API URL. For the database name, I know the name of it. It's named demo. But if you don't know what is the database name, just go to your Priority and navigate to System Management, System Maintenance, Companies, Companies. This will open up a form and the field here will display the company name. Now let me just finish with providing the API username and password. Let's click on the Save button, save the connection. I fast forward a bit, and as you can see, it's done. Please note that you also need to open the forms you want to interact with the API in the limited access API forms located in the path that I will put in the comments below. And that's it. We would love to hear from you, so let's continue the conversation in the comments below. Until then, see you in the next video.